Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'll teach you guys how to find your Facebook draft or the deleted post on Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe notification onto our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for a future video, be sure to subscribe notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. Now remember, by this method you can find a deleted post on Facebook, but it has to be within 30 days. Like if your post was deleted like 40 days ago, then you can't see that post again. It has to be within 30 days, so let me show you how this trick works. You can click on the tree line at the top right corner, scroll down, go to Setting and Privacy, click on Setting, scroll down until you see Activity Log over here. On your Facebook information section, click on Activity Log. Then over here, as you guys can see at the top, there's Archive and Trash. Right click on Trash. So this is the photo which I just deleted like 29 days left. After 29 days, this post will be gone from the trash as well, and I cannot see it ever again. So, yeah, that's how you find your Facebook deleted post. I can just click on it and say Restore and click on Restore, and this photo will be restored again. So yeah, it's basically that simple. It just has to be within 30 days. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.